Yeah.
Okay, you're live now. Sorry.
Okay, let's see. Do you guys have any questions on what we did earlier?
Let's see.
When you say earlier, you mean 2 days
The
ago?
homework?
Yeah, I guess whatever the lesson 3.
No.
I didn't get part 2 of the homework, just like because I couldn't. I don't know if it was because I was at work, but like number 6, the link, it was just taking me to the reading. So I was like, I was confused.
That happened to me, but it like you have to. I had to have it on like the same, like so you click on that link and then you scroll down to that title, and then when you click on it, then it goes into SPSS, and then you're able to do it. So you have to have like SPSS up on your computer already.
That makes sense. Because I was trying to do it at work, and it was like not pulling up, and I was so confused. I was like, what the heck is it talking about?
That would be confusing.
Yeah.
But other than that, I think everything.
I think the hardest thing was like for me trying to figure out how to do the standard deviation by hand. But I think I kind of did it, so it'll just take practice. Okay. So do we want to start the quiz then?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Find the mean amount hospitals have to pay wrong site lawsuits. Okay. Analyze. Can you guys see my screen?
Hold on. I'm on the quiz. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I can see it.
Mhm.
Okay. So the mean, was that right? The 80,041.24?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
80,041. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
20.24.
Yeah, you got to round to the nearest whole number. But
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Oh.
Okay. 80,041. Perfect. Good catch. Okay, find the median amount hospitals had to pay. So the median amount be 68,552.
Mhm.
that's what I got.
Same.
Okay. And standard deviation. Is that the 71,404?
That's what I got. Are you
Mhm.
do you have a little link up that you're copying and pasting that wrong site column into, or how are you finding those? Just
On the SPSS,
okay.
you mean?
Yeah.
You go to analyze. Oh, whoops. And then, let's see. Descriptive statistics. And then explore. And then it should pull up all of them.
I used a different thing where I can kind of just
Oh,
copy
really?
and paste the answers. Yeah, but that so I just wanted to see if you had the same thing or not.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, so
I guess I-
what do you first go to? What's the first one before you get explore?
You go to analyze and then descriptive statistics and then explore.
Okay. Hold on. This program is doing something to my computer and I can't click anything.
Okay. Are we good to go on to 6? Or we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't go anywhere. My computer's just like frozen now.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. I'm just on the Google Hangouts. Oh, it's pulling something up. Hold on. Okay. I think I'm good. Okay.
Okay, let's see. What did you guys get on 6?
I got 7.
Okay, same. 7.
Hold on. I will be right back.
What Sydney, do you already have the quiz done? Quiz?
Is she there?
Sydney?
Oh, there she is. Is she frozen?
Yeah, I think she got booted.
Oh, okay.
She's really good at staring.
I know. I was like, And then Eitzel's just gone?
Sorry, can
Yeah.
you hear me?
Oh, wait, she's there.
Yeah,
I think.
I'm back. Sorry.
Itzel's back. Yeah, it just kicked out Sydney. She's gone.
Yeah, Sydney's gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know.
That's weird.
Maybe her computer was
Was
going.
it because well, no, I just put mute. That's weird.
Well, let's keep going, and then if she gets back on here in a second, we'll catch her back up.
Catch up.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that on number 7?
I got 4.
Median.
Yeah. Did you? So you
Okay.
you put them in the correct order first? Did you rearrange?
Yeah.
them?
That's what you should do, right? For the median the entire time, all the time.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, good.
So.
Okay, get the number that would be entered into the space label A.
Sorry, no.
I don't really know
Okay,
how to
so
do
we
the
have to
deviation
minus-
ones.
So we have to minus the 5 from the mean, which is, what was the mean?
Mean was
7.
7.
Okay, so let's see. So then it would be 19.
So, I think it goes by absolute value. So instead of 19, wait, how'd you get 19?
Well, because there's the 19 on the side under the observed data.
Okay.
So wouldn't it be 19 minus 7?
Yeah, sorry. I thought you were
Okay.
doing,
Oh, no, you're good.
I was confused. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so how do you do this one? Because I don't know how to do this one.
Number 8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for the spot where A is,
Yeah.
so it'll be the X, which is the observed data, minus the mean. So it'd be 19 minus 7, because 7 is the mean that we found earlier.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when it's saying deviations away from the mean, it's essentially asking how far away is this number from the mean. So 19 is 7 numbers away from 12. Or, yeah, 19 is 12 numbers away from 7.
Yeah.
So it seems complicated, but it's just worded strangely.
The word standard deviation just like throws me off.
Yeah.
As if it should be something bigger than it is.
Oh, Sydney's calling me. Hold on.
Okay.
Is it Sydney? Give it to me.
Here's each other, just a moment.
Wait. Hello? Hey, Jessica? I
Yeah.
think you're calling me.
Me?
I thought it might have been Sydney. Yeah, I just got a call from you. Unless I have your
So
number.
I literally. Yeah, no, that was not me.
Okay, then that's Sydney. I just have your number. Sorry.
That's
Hello?
funny. I was like, I swear I haven't touched my phone.
No, you're good. Hey, what's up? Are you serious? Okay, so do you want to restart it? What we did was we'll just keep going and then we'll just catch you up at the end. If you want to just come back. Okay, sounds good. Do you need me to send you the link again or can you get that? Okay, sounds good. Bye. So her computer froze and she has to probably restart it. That's so weird because that program made my computer freeze too.
Well, does she want to just do it on the phone with us? And then.
Well, she said she's restarting it.
Okay.
And then I have to restart. Well, I'm going to, because I had to exit off SPSS. But I'm going to pull it up really quickly.
Okay.
Again. Let's see. But every time I pull it up, it like doesn't let me click anything else. It just, that's why I keep closing it. I'm so
Oh. Okay.
it like slows my computer down. My computer's old, so I'm probably gonna have to get a new one. Okay. So here, look, I'm gonna show you guys what it shows me, so you guys can tell me what you guys did because I have no idea why
Okay.
this pulls up. Oh wait, that's not it. So right before, okay, that's the normal page, but like it says you have 9 days left in your trial, and then it says buy now or licensed product. And when I click licensed product, it doesn't let me put in the whole. I don't know why you guys can't do that. Hold on. It's just like a pop-up. When you guys first got it, did something pop up like that? With like it says new data set, open another.
I feel like I had to do something for it to get to do that because I struggled with this forever before I could get it to work.
Yeah, it took a long time for me too. In fact, I just eventually went and got my wife and had her mess with it.
And see, the thing is, my husband took this class, but he wasn't required to download this program. So he had like no idea. And we were trying to figure it out, but it was over the weekend when we were babysitting, so we couldn't spend super long on it. And so today I've been trying to do this and I can't figure it out. It just like reboots. If I do licensed product, it just like opens up and it reboots all over again, and then it like makes my computer start all over.
Do you just check the box license product and hit send or next, or do you click it?
What I do is I pull up licensed product, and then it says it like opens up a page and it says, do you authorize this for your computer? And if I say yes, it'll like restart my thing. And if I say no, it just closes down the whole program.
I sort of remember seeing that page, but I don't even remember clicking on licensed product. I remember, I don't know, just kind of going with the next step. So
I mean, because I could
Um,
use it. I can use it. I just saying that I have 9 days left in my trial when I bought it.
right.
Right. When you, so what I had to do is I had to go into like the files on my computer, and I went into downloads, and then I went into the file where it says SPSS, and it pops up with all of this like random mumbo jumbo. But I had to click on, I had to go down and click on setup, and double click that, and then it started the setup for me from there.
Okay. And then when you bought it, did you automatically download it from there, or did you go back through the email?
No, I downloaded it from the website page.
Yeah.
And see, that's what I did too, and I thought that would be easier, but for some reason it just didn't automatically go through. And I was waiting for something to pop up asking me for the license number, or like my confirmation number that the teacher said would eventually pop up, but it never popped up.
Let me see. I don't know if this will work for you, but let me see if I can share this screen and show you where I had to go.
Oh, Sydney, you're back.
Yes, I am. Sorry, guys. My
Okay.
computer just completely froze, so I had to switch to my husband's.
You're good. You're good. Okay, hold on.
If not, we can
Get that
keep going.
screen.
It just sucks because I
Yeah.
can't do it as I'm going.
Okay, yeah. Well, here, I'm going to share mine. Get this for now. And then after, if you want, after we do the quiz, I can show you how I got to my thing or whatever and see if it works for you.
Okay.
But let's keep going on this. Okay.
Sydney, what
So-
number were you on?
What was
Yeah.
that?
What number were you on when you got?
Let me look. 7.
Okay. Do you have any questions on how to do 7?
No.
Okay, the
I'm
answer is
good.
4. I hope that's what you got.
Yes.
Okay, and then 8 is 12,
Okay.
and now we're on 9, which
Okay,
I got the
perfect.
answer as 36. Anyone got anything different?
No, I got that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's see. 10 of the survival times. Do we just have to add up all of the standard deviations? Or the,
8 and 9.
no, do we add up 8 and 9?
No, I
That's it.
thought that's what you were saying.
Oh. Do we add up all of the numbers in column 3? Is that what we do? How
I
do you do
think
that?
so.
Okay, because it's of all the survival times? Dang it. Okay, how are you guys doing number 10? I literally have no idea.
So I think what you're supposed to do is I think we're supposed to like try and fill out the rest of the chart, and then and then after you fill it all out, then you divide it by the number minus 1, and then you square root it, and then you take and then you take the square root of it. I think
So is it 200 over the n minus 1 or whatever?
yeah, I think so.
Okay. 100 over, let's see. Samples. So is the sample set all of those numbers added, the observed data added together?
What was that?
The sample set, is that column 1 all added together?
I'm not sure.
Because that's the n, right?
Well, the n is the number of
Oh, so it's
columns
4.
or rows there are. So yeah, it's 4.
That's so awkward. Okay.
You're fine.
Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere here. Okay. To the nearest tenth. Okay, did you guys get 66.7?
I did not get that.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm still trying to figure it out. One sec.
So the
Shoot.
problem. So yeah, I had trouble with this one, and I don't remember quite what happened with it.
But you know the right answer.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe if you tell us the answer, we can figure out where that's coming from.
The answer is 8.2.
8.2.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Okay, wait. What was the answer for number 9? What was B?
Answer for number 9 is 36.
36.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm desperately trying to remember what my group showed me.
Yeah. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Because I think I did all of that right. Let's see. 5 minus 7 is 2. Squared is 4. 9. What's 12 squared?
Is it 36? No. Is it? No.
12 squared, is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
143.
Oh my god.
Okay, no, that's what I got. Okay, I was making sure. 36. Okay. Wait, the next one's 36, right?
Yes. Sorry,
Okay.
that's what I was talking about, but then I realized you were talking about. Never mind.
And then 3 minus 7 is 4, and 4 squared is 16.
16.
Okay.
So then you do. Wait, is it 199 or is it 200?
I don't know. I might have done my math wrong. I did it by hand, guys. That's a bad idea. No, I'm just kidding. I got it right. 200.
Okay.
And then
Divided by.
divided by the sample set. Correct.
It's It's
N minus 1.
yeah. So divided by 3 is
Okay.
66. There we go. And
Right,
then
but then
you
do
take the
you
square
something
root
on
of that. Yeah, you take the square root of 66.
Oh. Okay.
So just to be clear, all you did was you filled in the rest of that chart where A and B are.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you added them all together.
Yeah, you add all of the third column together, and then
Oh
you
my
just
gosh,
take
I
the
got it.
square root of it. Or no, you add all the third row together, and then you divide it by the number of variables, which is 4, minus 1. So it's 200 divided by 3. And then you get,
You divide that. Or
and then you take the square root of that. Yeah,
Okay.
which is 8.16, right?
Yeah, which rounds up to 8.2.
Perfect.
So 8.2.
Got
Now,
it. Yes.
oh, okay, good. I missed that last step where we square root it.
So once we get the 66, after you divide the 200 by n minus 1, then you just take the square root of it to get the standard deviation.
And
It's
then that's the 8.2.
Mm-hmm.
Itzel, are you still with us, or are you just completely lost because your computer's not working?
Completely lost. Well, I'm still on I pulled up like the statistic part, so I'm
Yeah.
fine on that. I'm on the same page that Jessica's on now, but I don't know why I can't do anything else on it.
We'll just have to explain it to you afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Number 11. Oh, we're going back to the
Yeah, it's statistics page.
and this time we're doing the wrong patient instead of wrong site.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Pressing. Okay. And what are we looking for?
The first number in the 5 number summary. So
And that's
the lowest number. Right?
yeah, the minimum.
The minimum.
So it's
Yeah.
0. Is what it says, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
correct.
Okay. Okay.
So the second number, is that the 25th?
That'll be Q1, won't it?
Yeah. The 25th
Yeah.
percentile.
Oh, wait, let's see. Toot, 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 toot. Where's my... Oh, wait.
Is the teacher gonna watch this video of ours?
I think she just kind of like skims through it and picks out parts.
Yeah.
I think that's what she
I'm
does.
not cheating, I promise. I'm in Math 221C.
Wait, how do you find the
Q1?
yeah.
I think you do analyze, and then it's
frequencies?
yes.
Or explore?
No, it's frequencies, I think.
Oh, okay. And then wrong patient. And then statistics.
And then make sure it has
Oh.
percentage.
And then you put what percentages you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what did you get, Sydney?
Well, I don't have mine up because my computer isn't working, and it's downloaded on my computer.
Okay.
Wow, but she's just like walking me through it. Okay. Is it 3,900?
It sure is.
Yay.
That took too long. Okay. Okay, 13. The fourth number, is that the 75?
Yeah.
So as long as you know how to do this, because it's the same as Q1, right? Only you're just gonna put in the different percentage. So the answer is 50,145.5.
Wait. Why did I get 50,436?
You have in the right percentage?
Yeah, the 75.
That's weird.
That's what my thing gives me for wrong patient, right?
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
What
I don't
did
know why it gives me
Wait.
50,436.5.
Say that number one more time.
50,436.5.
Huh. I have no idea.
But that's not the right answer?
Not according to mine.
That's weird.
I suppose, you know,
Really-
you can take these quizzes twice. I suppose you can
Yeah.
try it. And if it doesn't, or I don't know.
If it's wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
But then you'd still have to go back and put every number in. which could take-
Yeah. Let me just try. Okay. That's so weird.
Oh, hold on. Since Excel and SPSS calculate the Q3 differently in this case, there can be different answers where SPS has a higher
Oh.
value than Excel. So I used,
Excel.
yeah. So
Okay.
So this could still be a right answer then?
yeah, it can still be the
Oh,
right
okay. Okay. 50,000.
And the
Okay,
place I read
yeah.
that is I'm looking at my graded quiz and there's a feedback button and that's what I just clicked on. And
Oh, okay. That's
Smart.
good to know.
Okay. So everyone got that answer then?
Hmm.
Okay.
so this one, if you're looking at the quiz, we're just going off the box. So
uh-huh.
the third quartile,
The,
red box decision
It's
is
like 75 or something.
yeah, it's the top of that box, and I put 190 was my estimate. I'm assuming if your answer is close to
okay.
Okay.
that, they'll count it.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're able to at least look at the quiz, right? Oh, she's gone.
Oh, she is?
Oh, she's gone?
She just put it on hold for a second. It looks like.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay. So
Uh,
would that be like 725, 710,
I put
725?
10.
You put 710?
Yeah.
Okay. That's probably how long I sit and stare and look at what red box to get.
Yeah.
That's me. What is the value of the mean? And that's the middle line in the box, right?
Yes.
Nope.
What?
Oh, wait, yeah. Is it 105?
So, again, this is one I struggled with, but the answer is it cannot be determined.
Oh.
Oh, because you have to have all the variables and add them all up and then divide by that number. So we don't know all that. Maybe that's why.
Is that, yeah. So
Okay.
because you're estimating, everyone would come up with a different answer, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. So are we ready to submit it then, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened?
And then just,
Ethel's still there, or did she?
I don't know. She just put it on hold, so she didn't get kicked out. She
Oh,
just
okay.
turned her camera off, so she'll be back in a minute, I'm assuming.
Okay.
After you submit your quiz, did you get number 13 right?
Yeah, I did.
Good deal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. Woo, 100%.
Sweet.
Good job.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
We did it.
Jessica, did you have time to stay on with Itzel and share your screen and go through that?
Yeah, I can stay and help her try to figure it out.
Okay.
See if we can do this.
Is there anything else we need to go over?
No, I think we're good.
Are we going to meet next Tuesday then?
Yeah,
I think
that's the
so.
plan.
And do we need a new group leader?
Oh yeah, who
Yeah.
wants to do it?
I can try and do it next week.
Okay.
Okay.
If I just have a problem, I'll text you this.
Sounds
Okay, so-
good.
All right. Well, thanks for all your help.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
I'll see
Have
you
a good
later.
weekend.
You too.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.
Thanks.